Hello everybody and welcome back. DangTeach at CCSD. Today we'll cover Education 4.0 and update. So if you haven't watched Education 4.0, this might confuse you a little bit, so go back and watch that before you continue. Out of the campus. So since I started Education 4.0 about 2 weeks ago, it's been going pretty well. I've loaded most of the pharmacy curriculum, so all the math, all the SIG code lectures have been loaded, and most of the lectures have been loaded. I just have a few chapters, about 5 chapters to go, and then I'm done. All the pharmacy items are up and complete. So the next phase, I think that should take about another week or so to get all those lectures up. But after that, the next phase is going to be loading up some of the assignments. So in the math, I did do a practice. That's an exact assignment that we do in the Pharmacy 200 course. So all of those assignments, I'm gonna start doing the same way, step by step, the math and the SIG codes. And this is perfect timing. At CCSD, they're going on to more of a blended curriculum. So more of the class is going to be taught online, which is perfect. All of the old curriculum that I've designed, I'm able to then go ahead and put online, make those lectures and those videos for you guys. Oh, here in the video, just showed you our location. Looks like it's just right across the street from the marsh area. So we're a stone's throw from the water. We're about a mile from Pepper Park. So if you got a little break after class, sometimes I do have a gap between my morning class and my night. You'll see how close it is. Right across the street. So that's the I-5 right there. And you'll see in the distance, that's the 54 interchange going east. So right now it's about, about 2:30. You'll see very light traffic. Good thing we don't have to be in that traffic. Here I'm just going back across the pond here. But anyways, back to Education 4.0. So my next step is to make videos of all those assignments. That way you'll see the math problems as is, the SIG codes problem as is, and I'll go through them step by step with you. So phase 1 almost complete. I'm getting ready for phase 2, so stay tuned, and hope to see you guys again. Once again, everybody, thank you for joining us. That concludes our update to Education 4.0. However, coming up next, we got a video for our St. Patrick's Day celebration at CCSD National City. So stay tuned for that. Thank you once again. Guys, have a wonderful day.